We will solve the equation x to the 6th minus x cubed equals 2 step by step and keep everything crystal clear. Step 1. Move all terms to one side, so the other side becomes 0. We subtract 2 from both sides. That gives x to the 6th minus x cubed minus 2 equals 0. Step 2. Notice x to the 6th is the same as the quantity x cubed squared. That means this looks like a quadratic in x cubed. Let u equal x cubed. Then the equation becomes u squared minus u minus 2 equals 0. Step 3. Factor the quadratic. We want two numbers that multiply to -2 and add to -1. Those numbers are -2 and +1. So it factors as the quantity u minus 2 times the quantity u plus 1 equals 0. Step 4. Set each factor equal to 0. U minus 2 equals 0 gives u equals 2. U plus 1 equals 0 gives u equals -1. Step 5. Switch back to x. Remember u equals x cubed. Case 1 x cubed equals 2, so x equals the cube root of 2. Case 2 x cubed equals -1, so x equals -1. These are the real solutions. Final answer x equals the cube root of 2 and x equals -1. Great job working through each step carefully. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.